Okay, okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of this playlist. So in this video we will start creating our actual I can say movies section. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will come here and we have created one banner. Okay, so now we will create here a movies file. Okay, I will see basically movies dot .jsx and I will hit enter. Now I will copy, come here and I will copy this one and I will paste this inside movie. Okay, I will change its name to movie and I will rename it. Okay, I will basically get data here. I will say data. Perfect. Now next what I will say basically, I will get here data and I need to map on that data. Perfect. Now how my data will look like? Okay, I will come to my home dot page dot jsx. Okay, I will remove this by the way. I don't need banner. I don't need banner here, but I need JSX fragment. Cool. I will come to my page. One sec. I am editing right now. Page.jsx. My bad. One sec. Let me do Control Z. One sec. Okay, fine. This is my home page. Okay. I will come to my movies section and I can remove this from here. And I need a JSX fragment. And I will do it format document. And I don't need banner here. Perfect. Now next, what I need here, I will come to my page.jsx and I will import this movies here. Movies. Okay, and I will wrap it somehow like this. I will wrap these inside one basically JSX fragment. Okay, I will come here and I will paste these right now. I will paste these and I will do format document and now let's do our styling. Okay, so we were taking an example of Hotstar. Okay, so this is a website of Hotstar. So this is something a kind of carousel. Okay, so right now currently you can see we have one I can say latest movies kind of one title and we have one uh, divs. Okay, let's do some stuff of code. Okay, so first of all we had a div. Okay, so I will say we had a div and inside this div again we have two div. Okay, again we have two divs. So two divs and inside first div I have one like again two divs which I will make their display as flex. Okay, uh, or I will say two divs now. So I will say star 2 and I will say latest movies and the next I will say basically um, I will say view all. Okay, now next here is our actual movie part of code. Okay, so what next I will do here, so I can easily say basically we had an carousel. Okay, cool. Do you remember that we had an carousel here? So like if I show you on Hotstar, so this is a carousel. Okay, I can easily like scroll these movies. Perfect. Now next what I will say, I will basically get these images first. Okay, so I will say here I will map the data. Okay, so I will map the data and let me get this data first. So I will get this data from here. I will say data to be data. Okay, and let me define this data. So I will say const data is equals to an empty array. Okay, right now it's an empty array. Now next I will come to my movies and let me map this data dot map and item. Now next to an arrow function I will return one div here. Okay, so I will return one div. Okay, let me make this div. Perfect. Now let me do some more stuff of code. Perfect. Now what I need, see, what is here. So currently on the screen we can see that we had an image. Okay, and we will not create this hover part of effect. Okay, now see what can I see here, that we have an image. Perfect. And when we click on this image we should be redirected to some page. Perfect. Now what I will do, I will create one see, instead of creating another link tag, what I will do, I will change this to link. Okay, and from Next.js it will come link. Okay, and now I will use here image tag. So this image will come from Next.js. Okay, and this will be src, and let's take an example src to be some random value, and here will be an href to be this. Perfect. Now I will, let's take an example of this one movie. Okay, open image in new tab, and I can do control C and I can paste it here. Let's give the width to be 300, height to be 400, and alt to be nothing. Perfect. Now we should get an image, but we will not get because we have not provided an array of data. Okay, so see what we will get in our data. I will come to my here, and here I will basically create an data, like I will say image, and image will be like this one URL. And now next I need a name, like which name is this. Okay, I will say testing, just for now demo purpose we are keeping it as testing. And next I need the ID. Okay, what is the ID? Movie ID. Okay, I will say movie underscore ID. Perfect. Now I can say its ID to be 233. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now next what I need basically here what I need. Perfect. I need one comma, and let's wrap it, like replicate it 10 to 15 or 20 times. Okay. Okay, perfect. We have, I think, replicated more than what we were thinking. Cool. We had an image, so I can say basically I will come here to my movies, and I can remove this stuff of image code, and I can say here image, sorry, item dot image. Perfect. Now next what I need inside this alt, I will say item dot uh, item dot name. Okay, perfect. And here is a URL. Okay, so how our URL should look like? What do you think, guys? How should it look like? So how we are going to create a URL now? So we will make it somehow like this, and dollar. Now I will say here basically item dot movie ID. First of all, let me make it perfect, and let me wrap it also. Okay, cool. Now here is movie ID. So let me copy the name. What was that exactly? It was movie ID. Okay, I will copy this, and I will come here, and I can easily replace this movie ID. And now what can I make it? I will provide here one key also. So I will make it index, and its key will be here. Okay, key to be index. Perfect. Now I should get a lot of images in my, but even a single I am not getting. Why is it so? Because I need to provide here some styling stuff of code, because this image is coming. So I will make its z index to be -1. If it works, this is working. We are not getting those images. So I will inspect it, and I will see why we are not getting those images. So this is my first div, and this is my second div. I'm I am getting where I am not getting, by the way. Latest movie I am getting, but the next one div I am not getting, like this data one. Why is it so? Let's figure it out. Or I am getting, guys. I am getting it. I am getting it, but okay, we are getting, but we need that its position to be absolute, or we can make its position to be on the, like on the top. Okay, cool. So what next I will say here? This will be a div, correct? So it's coming on the top of this screen. So we need to make its display to be flex. Okay, so I will come here and I will import this movies instead of that place here. Okay, inside my banner. Okay, so this is my div, and this is my div. So I will use it here. Let's see. Will it work? Movie and data. Let's make the data to be an empty array for now, just for testing purpose. But let's make the actual data now, because data we will get here. Okay, let's pass this data from here itself, and come to banner, and instead of this data, and let's get this data. Perfect. Now let's see, are we getting this data? If I refresh, cool, we are getting this data, but we are getting it as an position absolute. So what I will do right now, I will come here like in my style, and I will make its position absolute. I have making the banner and image div, one sec, banner and div. I have making this as an absolute. So what can I make, say is control C, and inside this div I will paste it. Mm, or then it will go some of flex kind of, is it stuff. Perfect, we have got it this. Now next we need that, we need margin something to this div. Perfect, but exactly this will not some work somehow like this. It will be like I can say on the top of this. Okay, so we will remove few of the css. Like first of all I will remove this position absolute to be from here. Okay, now let's see, instead of position absolute. Perfect, now it's looking fine, and we have got this data on the correct position. But the thing is that we have got this image some out of order. Perfect, now what's next? Let me make remove this one from here. And it was okay, cool. So our image had came on the top, but okay, let's make it control Z. Cool, perfect, we are getting this data, and I hope we have removed the data from here. Sorry, from banner, and we are not getting any data now. We don't require any data right now here. So I can say basically, so this, perfect. Now what next I need? See, I need basically that this image to be on the top of this screen. First of all, let's see why is it coming below. Okay, let's see, this is our image, and one second, height to be auto. Perfect, width is here. Perfect, but why it is coming like margin bottom? This is because of the parent div or the body. Now where we are lagging, let's figure it out, guys. Let's figure it out how we can make it. Okay, we are getting because of margin top here. Okay, cool, we can remove this margin top from image name. Okay, image's name. So what I will do, I will come this css and I will remove here margin top. Was it margin top? I think margin top was there, no? Perfect, margin top was there. Now we have achieved this, guys. Next, we need, but we need some space at the top. So what can I make? Padding top, I can make it here. Okay, so I will make here padding top, padding top. Okay, padding top to be 10 dvh. Okay, it is not 100 will be like everything will went away, and margin left to be perfect. Now if I come here, and now can you see, guys, it's looking perfect, and we are getting our data. Let's do some styling for this data. Okay, so next, what I need, first of all I need here, this is our div, correct? What is our div? This is our div. Okay, this one, what I need, I will create this one as, I will wrap this one inside one div. Okay, I will wrap this one inside div. Perfect, why I'm doing it so, I will let you know. Format document. Now next I can basically come here, and let's do some styling. Okay, I will import my css. So I will say import styles from dot slash. Okay, cool, now I will say here class name. One sec, class name to be styles dot it is a carousel. Okay, carousel. And now I will come here inside my css, and at the bottom I will come here, and inside my, first we will style these where is that movie? Okay, I will first style this one part, this one, sorry, not this one, this one part. Okay, so what I will say, first of all I will come inside this one div, and I will say basically here display to be flex. Okay, width to be 100, I can say 100 VW. Okay, 100 VW, and align item to be center, justify content to be space between. Okay, so that they can be in the opposite direction. And after that I can say padding to be I can say basically here padding I can give around 2 VW. Okay, let's see how is it looking. It's looking not that much good, it's looking too much stupid. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next I need, I will not give padding here. Okay, and next I will say first child. Okay, this will be my first child. Perfect, cool, we are getting this. But right now we are getting these on the left and right side. Perfect. Now what I need inside this first div, we have two more divs. Okay, let's do the styling for these two divs. I will copy this and I will paste it. I will move inside this one div. Okay, I will say its color to be white, color to be white. Okay, and next I need, let's see, is it working? Perfect, working. Next I need its margin top to be, one sec, I need margin top some in my minus. Okay, margin top minus 10 dvh. Is it fine? Let's see. It is fine because we are getting the latest movies here. Perfect. Now instead of 10 I can make it 15. And now next what I need, mm, or else I can make Carousel itself margin top as a, okay, or what can I make? Not, I will not make this one. Yeah, this will give me an issue in future. Okay, cool. Now next I will make its padding to be um, 2 VW. Okay, VW. Perfect. Perfect. Now next I need the font size to be increased. Okay, from left right it's fine, no? Perfect. Now I need font size to be 20 pixel, font weight to be, font weight to be bolder. Okay, perfect. Font sizes, can we increase it a little bit more? Perfect. Now next what we need, see, we need this to be in one row only. Okay, cool. Now for that one row what I will say, first I will say here dot Carousel, and inside Carousel I have one div and I need to get the last div of this. And I will make, let's come to my movie dot jsx, and we have Carousel. Inside Carousel we have second div and we will need to make this div as display flex. Okay, I will make its display to be flex, and align item to be center, justify content to be center, not center basically, just align item we will make it center. And currently you can see we are getting this, but it should, its width to be 500. Okay, so I will so not 500, width to be 100 VW. Perfect. Now, and overflow I can make it here scroll. Okay, overflow to be scroll. I will not get, by the way, scroll bar here. Okay, cool, perfect. And now I am able to scroll even perfectly. So now next what I need to style these. Okay, perfect. Now I will do some styling for these images and stuff. Now next I need basically here we have an, first of all let's see why this black kind of background is coming. Okay, I will select it and let's see why is it coming. So the image height is, so this is my image, and I think we had inside image we had this. Is it so? One sec, guys. Inside image do we have this? Okay, we have this shadow inside this one image itself. Okay, so what can I do right now? This will give me an issue. So I think all the images will have same, this image is something else. So what they are doing right now, are they displaying two images at a time? I feel they are displaying two images at a time. Okay, 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 got it. So for now what can I even do? I will make its width. Okay, so see, I will come, mm, and next what where we will see inside my movies, and inside this one div we have again one a tag. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will make its image tag, sorry, a tag. I will copy it, I will paste it, and I will come to a tag, and I will make its width to be 200 or 200 pixel. Okay, and let's see how exactly at 200 will it look like. Perfect. So this is looking somehow like this at 200. Perfect. Now what next I need? What do you think, guys? What next we need? So next we need uh some margin here. Okay, some margin from top. It's fine, but we need from left and right. Okay, so 20 pixel. Let's see. Will it perfect? Not perfect. Yep, perfect. I think. Or we can make it padding or margin. I think margin, I think it's fine. Okay, now next inside this we had an image. Okay, so I will copy this, and inside this a tag I had an image. So what I will say, I will make its width to be 100% and height to be auto and object fit to be cover, and aspect ratio to be 16:9. Okay, now let's see how will it look like. If I refresh, let's refresh, we are not getting even, the movies got that much small, we are not able to even see them. Why is it so? Why is 9:16? My bad. 9 ratio, one sec, 16. It should be somehow like this, but the image we are getting so too small. At this moment we are not able to see even the images. Cool. Now let's figure it out how is it done, and how we can figure it out. Okay, so we have provided here width as 100 vw, fine, that is fine. Now this is 200 pixel. I will remove the 200 pixel first, and let's see that overflow scroll is not working, I guess so. I will make image width to be 200 pixel itself. Let's make it 200 pixel or 300 pixel. Perfect. We can make here itself. Okay, fine. We will make it here 200 pixel, and okay, cool. We are getting our images. Perfect. We can reduce this margin. Okay, we will make it 1. And next, what can I say? Basically here, mm, I can make its width more to be 250. Okay, fine. Or I can reduce it. Uh, Instead of 16:9, I would love to make it 16:14. Perfect. I can make it more, little bit less. Oh, perfect. Now cool, it's looking fine. I can make its width to be 30, and I can make its border radius to be 5 pixel. Fine, I think. Perfect, looking great. Now even I can scroll them, and we are able to successfully display our movies. Okay, perfect. Now next, let's do some more styling to these. So this is our images, like tag, like first child one, div. Perfect. Now what I need here, I need margin bottom. Okay, so I need here margin bottom at least 2 vw, at least not 2 vw, at least 20 pixel, at least 20 pixel. Perfect. Now that came just below to this. Perfect. Now what next I need? I need here basically. mm, I guess we can replicate it more twice, like 2 to 4 times. But before that, what I need, so this is our div na, carousel. Okay, so what I need at a time, I need some shadow on it. Okay, so I will copy this, and I will copy this one shadow. Okay, I will copy this one shadow, and I will come to the carousel. I will come to the Carousel and I will say dot Carousel and I will paste it. Let's see how will it look like. Okay, perfect. It's looking better than what I was expecting. Perfect. Now what next I need? We can easily replicate this like 4 to 5 times. Okay, perfect. Now what I need? I will come here to my movies and not movies basically here, and I will copy it and I will paste it like 4 to 5 times. Perfect. Perfect. So now you can see that we are getting this data. Okay, but at a time we are not getting here margin top. So for that, what I will come here and mm, I will uh, do this. I will remove margin bottom from here. Perfect. Now it's looking better than what I was expecting. We can reduce these images size. It's looking like too much. I will make them as 200. Is it fine? 200. Perfect. 200 is perfect. Now what next I need? I need this to be little bit on here. Okay, so that if anyone is here, then he can view these images. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will come here and I will import the style here. Okay, so I will say import styles from dot slash component. It's under component, correct? Under component and slash styles. Perfect. I will say here I will provide a class name here, basically class name style dot carousel banner, carousel banner banner. Okay, perfect. Now next I will copy this and I will come to my carousel banner or here, and I will get it and I will say here margin top to be minus 10 dvh. Okay, let's see how will it look like. It's perfectly looking fine. Okay, so if I show you right now, so let me refresh it. I will make it little bit more, not uh like a 10. I will make it 20. Okay, perfect. Now we are getting the images in, but the issue is like we are getting this mm, mm, this shadow which is looking too weird even. Correct. So what I will do right now, or else this we will figure it out in the next video. Okay, so we are by the way we have successfully done this one part. Okay, so next what I need basically, okay, it has been refreshed. Okay, perfect. If I click, I will go to the particular movie id. Okay, so currently you can see I am redirected here. So I will come back and let me by the way first of all do some changes inside my movies here. So I will need slash home. Okay, so what I need slash home and slash movie id, and I need to join this by their name even. Okay, so I will say slash dollar item dot name and dot split by space. If any space is there, then split it and join it by basically I can say underscore. Okay, perfect. Basically we don't need anything related to this. What is this? We need only id. Okay, just for a fancy purpose we are keeping it. Okay, so currently you can see our url will be somehow like this: home slash 23 and testing. Okay, cool, perfect. So till now we have seen how we can make this browser. Okay, now next what we will see, let's first figure out this css. Okay, let's figure it out, this is css. Okay, cool. Now next what I need, this is css to be fine, looking fine. So I will come here and let's see. We will not need this kind of. So I will generate the css. Okay, so I will say mm, generate css. Okay, or I can say box shadow, or there can be another option. I will come here and I will copy this one box shadow. I will go to gpt. One sec, let me open gpt and let me hit enter and I will paste it here and I will say that this shadow dow is coming from left to right. I need that it should be from bottom, or I can say bottom. Okay, bottom, sorry, top to bottom. Okay, this thing I think we can make top to bottom, or bottom to top, bottom to top. Okay, from bottom to top. Let's hit enter and let's see what will it give, and we will paste it there. Okay, so it had given me an same css. Now we will figure out where we need to paste it. Okay, let's copy it and come back to our css file. So first of all, let's figure it out how we can, like, where need to be pasted. So currently we are looking, we need this css to be like this box shadow to be implemented here first, and that is this first, not first div. We will come back here, our name, let's see the banner. So we need this to be implemented on this image. Is it so? No. What we need on this div, this one div. Okay, this one div, or else we can make the changes to this here also. By the way, this bottom banner also, let's implement to the bottom banner first, and let's see how will it look like. Okay, and if it's not looking fine because of height, it's an issue. So what I will do right now, let me paste it here and let me comment it for now. Okay, I will make one div basically here, or yeah, or I can basically say one more thing to GPT. I want that this shadow should come from left to, okay, let's modify, say the same things to css, GPT. I want this shadow, DOW, to come from top to bottom, from left, sorry, from left to right, and bottom to top, and bottom, bottom to top. Okay, let's see what will it give. It has given me, let's see how will it look like. I hope it should looks perfect, because it has given me the angle as 45 degrees. So hopefully it will look fine. And I have replaced it and I will come to my css, and it's looking fine because we have got it in the same manner as an expected shadow. Cool. Now next, what I will change the shadow on the different pages, like here also. Okay, perfect, but perfect. But the thing is, we need this, we need to implement this shadow here. Fine. mm, Now we can make one more thing, like we can make this background to be little bit blackish. So I will say background color to be black, and we will make it somehow transparent so that it will look fine. Perfect, perfect. Now what I need next, I can make basically here a box shadow from the top. I need from the top. mm, Now here I we will generate shadow. Okay, here we need will generate shadow. I will say here, not this one side, we need basically vertical, correct? So we will make it on the center, or we will make it as 0, and blur, it will be completely blur. Okay, it will be completely blur, and somehow like this. Color is fine, and opacity is even fine. Inside it, do we need inside? No, even inside we can make it. Okay, now what can I make? I will copy this one and I will paste it here. Okay, I will paste it here, and let's see how will it look like. Okay, if I come here, so currently you can see I'm getting an output, but at the like at the between we are not getting. So what will I do for that? I will make its width to be completely zero. Okay, this one where is its width? I will make its color to be transparent, not or blackish. Opacity I don't need. Blur. Okay. We are unable to expect, unable to get that as an expected. We will generate from any other place, and we need the perfect. We need an inside. I think I can get this. And vertical I need perfect. This one is also perfect. This is perfect, and the color I need is 9, and blur I need it to be completely blur. Okay, and the width to be, I don't need width, but I need transparent. I need to get the code and box shadow. I will copy it. I will paste it here, and let's see how will it look like. Perfect. See, at the end we will style it some more. Okay, after this video. Okay, I will first of all I need to remove this. If I am scrolling this one, so I need to remove this. It is looking too weird even. Okay, so next what I need in next video, we will create databases and we will integrate with this. So for now, that's all guys in this video. Hope you had enjoyed. Thank you.